Hi friends, let me show you this new rat and mouse trap. Let me tell you that this is a kind of a humane trap because this won't kill the animals. This will trap the animals alive. So if for any reason you want to trap these kind of animals alive, this is the trap that you must get. You can imagine that maybe you want to trap them alive to, I don't know, test them for any kind of disease. Maybe you simply don't want to kill them, and you can get the animals and take them away, far away from your home, maybe in the woods, maybe in a forest, I don't know. For any reason to that you think that you want to trap a mouse or a rat alive, this is the kind of trap that you need, okay? As you can see, it has the basic instructions here in the box, okay? You have to pull up the lock as it is now. Then you have the arm bar across the handle here. Okay, let me show you. You put it here in this round part, okay? So when the animal moves the bait inside, it will put its feet in that platform and it will move, so it will close the trap, okay? So no killing the animals, just getting them humanely trapped, and then, well, do with them whatever you want, okay? When the door closes, this lock goes down so it can be opened again from the inside, of course, okay? So again, we're going to put this ready, and whenever a mouse, a rat, or even a small squirrel, or I don't know, a lot of animals can fit here, a small cat, and it goes inside, it will be humanely trapped alive, so you can, well, whatever you want to do with it, okay? Perfect. And when you are not using it, you don't put it here in the triggering part. You put it here, and it won't open. It's safe for you to put the bait here and prepare the trap, okay? Well, it says that you have to use a smelling tasty bait, of course, to get the animals to come. And it also says that some rats, all rats are smart and prudent, so maybe they will last a few days before coming inside. So, well, you can test it, you can leave a few days the trap and see if you really have a rodent messing around your home, your office, whatever you want to use it. Remember, no poisons, no dangerous traps for small kids, just an intelligent way of catching live rodents without killing them and then getting them to another place, or I don't know, maybe getting rid of them, but in a more humane way. Thank you. Really recommend. I am going to put it here in my tools room, where I think I might have a rodent. I don't know if it's a little mouse. Maybe it's a little mouse. I'm going to put some cheese. There you go. Okay? So when the rodent gets into where the cheese is, the trap will go off and we will trap him inside. Okay? So that's how it works. Let's put it here. Let me show you where I am going to put it. Okay? Okay, it's ready. I'm going to put it here in this corner, dark corner, where I think, as you can see, it's now armed and ready. here in this corner where I think the rodents go in the night. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Thank you.